Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to bridge Ethereum from BNB to Blast. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you simply need to type blastscan.io. This will land you on the official website of Blast, where you just have to scroll down, and in the bottom you are going to see the option of add Blast minute. So you will have to click on this option, and then the MetaMask window will open in front of you, where you will have to click on the approve button in order to add the Blast minute in your MetaMask. After that, you need to open a new tab, and then in the search bar, you need to type auto.finance. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your MetaMask wallet with it. In order to do this, you will have to click on this connect wallet button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after that, you need to click on MetaMask. After connecting your MetaMask wallet with it, you will have to change the network. In our case, we want to change it to Blast network. So in the first section, you will have to first select it as BNB, and after that, in the to section, you will have to select the Blast network. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to bridge. After that, you will have to click on the bridge button in the bottom, and then you just have to conclude your transaction. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.